Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off shots storage on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here and you just click here on my information authorizations. Then you come to this window here, then you click here on system permissions and you come to a next window here. You just click here on storage, then you come to a next window here and you click here on shots, then you come to shots and it's going to show for you window like this, and you click here on this color or this mark, and like you see color it's gone. That's main shots, it's on off to storage, so that's all you have to do. I wish you are get it. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.